Hi, and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, we're just going to do a quick little change around in my dining room. I just want to show you how just moving some artwork around or just moving some decor around can make a huge high impact in the room. It doesn't have to be that you went out and bought a bunch of different new decor or furniture. You can make a big difference just in moving around some artwork. These pictures that I'm replacing or that I'm putting up that are new, they actually were 2020's Christmas picture. We do a Christmas picture or a family picture every Christmas time, and that ends up being the Christmas card picture. And then I display the pictures from that shoot up on the wall, usually in the dining room. So this is 2020's pictures are just now going up. The frames I purchased from Target, which I'm absolutely in love with, and the 2 shelves I purchased from Target as well. I was so thankful for the help from my daughter and her boyfriend. They're the height in the family, and so being able to get up there higher, I was able to do some of the hanging of the new pictures, but some of the artwork was too high, and was just very grateful for their help. I hope I gave you some ideas and some motivation or just some inspiration to, switch around some artwork. This obviously I paid to print the pictures out. I got those at Walgreens, and then I purchased the frames from Target, but it wasn't, an expensive, change. And I just basically changed everything around with the exception of the new prints and the two shelves. But I just feel like it just completely changed the look of the room, and it's very easy to do. You could do this just changing artwork from one room to another. There's so many possibilities, and that's just my whole point is just to show you that you have fun with your home. You want to change something, change it. You know what I mean? Have fun, create your happy place and the story of your home, telling your family story. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up and share it out if you know of anybody that would enjoy. Subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button so that you know whenever I'm posting new videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.